I'm gonna show you how I took this online store from $0 to $1 million in a year and a half. Let's go. I love advertising my products on Google shopping ads. So what you wanna do is you wanna find a product that has a high demand, okay? For example, this product right here, makeup organizer, 40,500 people search for this specific product every month. In addition to checking the search volume, you want to make sure that the product has a consistent Google trend. This means that it's not a seasonal product. Yes, it's going to have ups and downs. That's normal for a business, but it never hits the bottom line. Once you've solidified that the product is in high demand and people actually want to buy the product, start looking for a reputable supplier that could ship the product to your customers. This is a method called drop shipping. You never have to buy inventory. Once you've done all that, head over to Shopify.com so you can start building your online store. You can literally get a 3-month trial for $1 a month. Create an awesome landing page for the product so you can drive traffic with ads so people can start buying your product. Buy cheap, sell high, watch the money start rolling in. If you need help getting your online stores to high profitability, go ahead and comment Ecom below and I'll send you a DM.